Hindi na yun din yung caveat. I think that's what makes it, kumbaga parang kaya ako siya binigyan ng category of that is because siya rin yung may pinakamalaking platform to cause damage. Parang ganun. That success would, before Jokoy comes here, he would open for Russell Peters, he would come to our shows and do 30 minutes, ganyang klase. He would talk, ganyang klase. Walang problema. Parang kumbaga, okay, yung joke man, hindi ko nakatawa ng konti, pero walang problema. Pero ngayon kasi parang, Filipinos are hip-hop. May ganun pa siya. So parang, no, we're love songs, bro.
No, we're not hip-hop. Yeah.
We're not hip-hop.
Well, the hip-hop community is growing.
Yeah, it is. Pero
it's still very niche. Kung di man tayo, Brad.
Oh,
love
exactly.
songs.
Love songs. Yes, exactly. Kahit gitara lang, kahon. 'Di ba? Yun na yun. So parang may mga ganun siya na parang di ko alam kung propaganda or ano. I think kasi it's damaging because people think na he's the representation. Pero I think we should stop. And I think if we just stop expecting him to be the representation of Filipino culture, I think he's not the worst. It's kumbaga parang product din ng expectations ng mga tao sa kanya. Akin, though, if you want Filipino culture being represented on stage, go to your local comedians, diba? Yun yung akin din.